Star Tool. The Star Tool in Figma offers a surprising level of flexibility for creating unique, eye-catching shapes. Let's explore its features and how to make the most of them. Creating a star and adjusting points. Start by selecting the Star Tool and drawing your shape. Unlike polygons, stars are defined by the number of points, not sides. Adjust the points in the Inspector panel for more complexity, or drag the circular handle to quickly increase or decrease the number of points visually. Adjusting the ratio. The ratio controls the distance of the inner points from the star center, measured as a percentage of the star's overall diameter. Use it to create unique variations, from classic stars to spiky or rounded shapes. Corner radius options. Like polygons, stars support corner radius adjustments. You can apply a unified radius to smooth all corners. For more control, enter editing mode to adjust the radius for specific points individually. Just hold Shift to select multiple points and customize them to your liking. With the Star Tool, you can go beyond basic shapes, creating designs that stand out, whether it's for icons, logos, or abstract elements.